What if someone was walking above you, in a place that's supposed to be empty? I moved into a quiet apartment building 3 months ago. The place was peaceful, almost too quiet. The landlord told me the entire floor above mine was vacant. No tenants, no renovations, just storage. But every night, around 2:17 a.m., I'd hear it. Footsteps, slow, deliberate, like someone pacing back and forth. Sometimes it felt like they stopped right above my bed. I recorded it, played it back, clear as day. But when I played it for my landlord, he went pale. He told me that unit had been sealed for years. Last night I went upstairs. The hallway was covered in dust, no prints, but the door to apartment 4B was open. Inside, the air was freezing. And carved into the wooden floor were 3 words: I never left. Would you keep living there, or would you run?